Do you wanna know?
Hey guys, it's SakiV here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, is kind of makeup related video because for today's video, I'll be transforming myself into an Instagram baddie. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. As you can see guys, I have no products in my face yet. Even skincare products guys, I did not put anything on it. So before we proceed to the makeup guys, I'm just gonna do my skincare routine quickly. So of course, I'm just gonna put toner. For the next video guys, I'm going to show you what products I use. Because basically guys, my skincare is just 3 steps. And sorry if I look over here because there's my mirror here guys. I'm done with the toner so I'll just let it dry. And I'll proceed with my serum. When I put serum in my face, hindi ko siya ni-rub. I just pat it like this. Para hindi ka magkaka-wrinkles. I don't know if it's true. Pero pag apply ko ng moisturizer, nirub ko naman siya ng very slight. So one of the reasons kung bakit maging maganda yung result ng makeup nyo guys is because of the skincare na ginawa niyo. I'm done with the serum and I proceed to my moisturizer. I just put my moisturizer upward. Kakanood ko to ng YouTube guys. Marami akong natutunan. And lastly guys, of course, I'm gonna put moisturizer on my lips too because it's so dry. Okay guys, I'm done with my skincare and let's proceed to the makeup. Actually guys, itong makeup na gagawin ko ngayon is new to me, char. Hindi ko pa na-try itong makeup na to kasi Instagram baddie nga. So, pag sinabing Instagram baddie, usually, gumagamit sila ng mga malalaking eyelashes and put makeup na parang body talaga, like a bad girl, and like that. So, hindi man ako bad girl, char. Gagawin na natin yung makeup na yan, and let's go.
Okay guys, so ayan, dry na yung face ko from the skincare na ginawa ko, and then that's me clapping, I don't know why. Oh yeah, ting. And then I proceed with my primer, and the primer that I use is the Maybelline Pore Eraser. Yes, the baby skin. Naglalagay lang ako ng konting amount sa fingers ko, and then nilalagay ko lang kung saan yung mga oily parts ng skin ko. And guys, as you can see, nagsasalita ako dyan kasi nakalimutan kong mag-voice over pala ako dito kasi nga makeup. Matatagalan ako pag, nag-i-explain pa ako. So, ayan, nagsasalita ako dyan. So, we're done with the primer and then let's proceed with the Maybelline foundation and then, oops, ay. And ang ginagamit ko is yung Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa back ng palm ko and then 3 pumps is enough guys. Then you're good to go. Usually guys, pag naglalagay ako ng foundation, kinakamay ko lang siya. Pero ngayon guys, gagamit tayo ng brush, and yes, yan yung brush na gagamitin ko. And guys, sorry if my brush is so dirty kasi tinatamad akong maglinis. And recently guys, palagi akong nagme-makeup kasi nga bored ako sa bahay. Wala akong ibang magawa kundi mag-makeup. After I blend my foundation with my brush, gumagamit pa din ako ng beauty blender guys, para double blend, para sure 100% blended. Char. Next is maglalagay na ako ng concealer, and ang ginagamit ko ay Maybelline Age Rewind. So yes, that's me. Oh, nagmodel pa. Oh, pak. Ganun. And of course, nilalagay ko lang siya kung saan yung mga insecurities ko. Char. Yung mga dark circles, and then yes, blend. And it's baking time. So nilalagyan ko lang ng powder yung mga nilagyan ko ng concealer. So ayan, lagyan ng powder para hindi hindi ko alam. I'm not expert. Now, let's proceed to our kilay, and yan yung ginamit kong pencil. I don't know kung anong brand niyan, pero sa pagkakalam ko, wala yung brand guys. Pero maganda siyang gamitin guys, and that's my favorite pencil among all the pencils in my makeup kit. And this time, I'm trying to find where my spoolie is, pero hindi ko talaga siya makita. So, meron ako nakita ditong brush. Ayan. So, yan na lang yung gagamitin natin. Brush, brush, brush. 3 times a day. Char. After ko i-brush yung mga eyebrows ko, I just get my eyebrow gel and then put a little bit amount of it and then okay. Oh, dance, ting-ting. And of course guys, after nating magkilay, kailangan nating linisin yung mga sides ng eyebrows natin. So ayan, kumuha lang ako ng brush and then concealer na Everblena and then nilinis ko lang para maging neat siyang tignan. Okay, done. Ayan, approve sign thing. Oh, smile. Twink. Let's proceed with my eyes and yes, kinuha ko lang yung palette ko and then the white shade, parang powder lang and put as base. Guys, I'm not sure ha, kay di jud ko expert ani. And then get my contour palette. Yes, I know that's for contour, but ginamit ko din siya sa aking eyes. And that's the shade. After that, ayan, kumuha na naman ako ng another brush and then another shade na medyo chocolate brown. I don't know. Guys, hindi ko talaga alam. I don't know about makeup, so bear with me. And nilalagyan ko lang siya sa parang outer crease. I don't know kung yun ba talaga ang tawag, pero ayan, nilalagay ko siya sa labas, outer, yes. And then another side, oh, pack, ganun. Ikaw na bahala dyan, besh. Kaya mo yan. I'm just doing my best, guys, okay? Another brush, the big one, and then brush off ba tawag ano eh. Basta kay kwaon ng mga powder na excess powder sa face guys. Oh, muna akong gibuhat and then kanta-kanta gamay. Ikaw ang bini-bini na ninanais ko. Oh, di mo beat sad. Oh. Okay, next na, ang daming sinasabi te. So, ayan, kinuha ko lang yung Maybelline Temptation ko and guys, parang wala na yung laman eh. Pero, oh, wait daw. May hukunin lang ako dyan. And yes, yung eyelash curler and then curl. At ilalagay na natin ang ating mahiwagang mascara. At this moment, ayan po, makikita nyo po mga kapamilya na nag-try po akong maglagay ng falsies pero hindi po talaga ako marunong. O ayan, tignan nyo. And para sa akin, hindi po talaga siya bagay. So ayan, kinuha ko na lang yung contour palette ko and then contour my face para naman maging slim siya kahit konti, diba? Oops, commercial break, disco gamay. Okay, proceed. Contour with the nose. Ting. Whoo, malapit na tayong matapos guys. So ayan, naglalagay na lang ako ng blush on. And then the highlighter, again, Caroline. This is not sponsored, okay? Malapit na tayong matapos guys and na-realize ko na parang walang nag-iba sa mukha ko. Ayan, ang pangit ko dyan. Oh, guys, hindi talaga ako marunong mag-makeup. Tignan nyo. Opak. Anyways, hayaan nyo na. Let's proceed with my lip tint. Ayan, lip tint yan guys. The red one. Another lipstick which is Maybelline and ayan, pinatungan ko lang siya ng another shade. Sana pala guys hindi na lang no, para maging bad girl talaga tignan kasi red lips. Kaso ayan, nilagyan ko pa siya ng another shade, so parang naging good girl ata yan. I don't know guys, kayo na bahala mag-judge sa look na yan. Basta ayan. Oh, tapos na. Yay! Oh, ayan.
Okay guys, I'm done with my makeup and hindi na ako naglagay nitong falsies because I don't like, hindi bagay sa akin guys, or I don't know. Basta hindi ko na lang siya nilagay at saka nilagyan ko na lang siya ng maraming mascara. So, I'm gonna change my clothes to look like a Baddie.
Only took one look and I was falling. I knew it from the moment that I I saw. Ocean eyes so deep that I could fall in. I didn't care about all of your flaws, and I dream about you from time to time. Then wake up thinking that you're still mine. I look across and expect to see your face, to remember you're 1,000 miles away.
So that's it guys, I hope you like this video. Please give a big thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And shout out to Arvin Villarmino. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!